Hello. This is Qomayo Jorge Deed. How you guys doing? So, I've got a new story coming up on my second channel, Qomayo Story, English version. I've already shared several videos there. In my latest video, I ventured into the concept of East and West beyond just geographical directions. Explaining these terms in Somali, I explored deeper meanings behind them, particularly in relation to the sun. In the upcoming video, I'll be discussing the concept of the West using the Somali word for galbed, which translates to eggshell in English. By connecting these linguistic insights to the Atenism concept associated with Pharaoh Akhenaten, we gain a clearer understanding of what Atenism represents. As a fascinating tidbit, the correct pronunciation of Aten or Adan in Somali reveals its meaning as lightness, clarity, and illumination. Beyond just referring to the sun, in ancient Egyptian, the sun was known as Ra, which correlates to the Somali term for the sun, Qorrah. Anyways, stay tuned for the full explanation that will be posted later on the Qomayo Story YouTube channel. Bye.